We are now boarding guests in Group F for Flight 1042. Aloha! Hawaiian Airlines is currently boarding all groups for Flight 1042 with service to Hilo. At Gate A19, all guests should proceed directly to Gate A19 for immediate boarding. Boarding doors will be closing shortly.
来たね。来た来た。お。
On behalf of Hawaiian Airlines and our One airline partners, we welcome you to the departure lounge for Flight 1053 to Lihue. At Gate A15, please remain seated. Pre-boarding will begin in a few minutes. Flight 1053 with service to Lihue. At Gate A15 will begin pre-boarding shortly. Please remain